Hello everybody, I'm Bahadur with you. Today I'm going to speak about Model 1 phonology. So let's speak about phonology. So what is phonology? Phonology is the study of the sound features used in a language to communicate meaning. So what are sound features? So the sound features are phonemes, word stress, sentence stress, and intonation. And during the video, I speak about phonemes, word stress, and sentence stress and intonation. Let's continue. First, let's begin with a phoneme. A phoneme is the smallest unit of sound and it has meaning in language. For example, book, books. So as the sound s shows something is in plural. So book, if you say book, you mean one book. So if you say books, you mean many books. So phonemes help us to distinguish between words. For example, sock, shock. So it's not the same word. We use socks to wear and shock. For example, electric shock. So we are distinguishing two words, sock and shock. So phonemes can be represented by phonemic symbols. So in English, we have 44 phonemes. So let's begin with vowels. You can see, so these are phonemic symbols. For example, phoneme E, kit, dress, trap, bed, hat, lot, out, wash, strat, mat, love, blood, foot, good, put, fleece, see, machine, pace, day, brick. So learn the phonemes because during the tests you are asked, for example, how many phonemes are there in a word. So next phoneme is I, price, high, try, oi, choice, boy, goose, two, blue, group, goat, show, no, mouse, now, ear, near, here, very, score, fair, varies, start, father, or, salt, low, north, war, or, poor, jury, cure, or, nurse, stir, learn, refer, about, common, standard, happy, radiate, glorious, thank you, influence, situation, suddenly, cotton, middle, metal, and this one is stress mark, and I think we don't have to speak about consonant phonemes, p, b, t, d, k, g, ch, j, f, v, s, z, s, z, sh, j, h, m, n, ny, l, r, y, r. So you know the consonant vowels. Maybe somebody don't know pleasure, j. It is j, j, pleasure. And we pronounce this phoneme as the, thing, author, path. And this one is the, this, other, smooth. And this is sh, you know. And this is ny, you know. And this is y, the phoneme y, you know. So let's speak about word stress. So every word in English has a word stress, but not any languages has a word stress. Some languages have equal stress in each word, so with no stress. But in English, you should stress some part of the word, and this part of the word is a syllable. So word stress, we pronounce a syllable with a greater energy than other syllables of the word, and this is word stress. For example, important, important. Okay, let's go. And sentence stress. So we say different parts of the sentence with more stress or with less stress. So she came home late last night. She came home late last night. She came home late last night. So I'm stressing the word late. And in a sentence, we have main stress and secondary stress. So one word in the sentence has the main stress, is like this. She came home late last night. So I'm stressing late. So secondary stress, other words with less stress. So, but stressed words are content words like nouns, verbs, adverbs, or adjectives. They usually take main or secondary stress. For example, the girl ran, she jumped quickly. They are content words. So girl is a noun, ran is a verb, and she is a noun, jump is a verb, and quickly is another verb here. So they are content words. And they take stress here. And so I may stress one word here is a main stress. For example, the girl ran to the sea and jumped in quickly. So I'm stressing the girl as a main stress, and ran, she jumped quickly as a secondary stressed word. So, but in the sentence we have unstressed words too. Usually structural words don't take stress. They are prepositions, articles, pronouns, or determiners. For example, here in the sentence, the, to, the, and, in, they are structural words. Structural words are words that we use them to build grammar. Yeah? So let's go on. So, to say the truth, we can stress any word, even determiners or pronouns. For example, we can say the girl ran to the sea and jumped in. I'm sorry. The girl ran to the sea and jumped in quickly. So in my this sentence, I'm stressing the a preposition to, and it is structural word. So changing the stress of a sentence changes its meaning slightly. So the girl ran to the sea and jumped in quickly. Not another person. The girl ran to the sea. So I'm stressing the word girl as a main. The girl here is a main stress, and I'm going to change main stress. The girl ran to the sea and jumped in quickly. So here the meaning is not to any other place, just to the sea. Okay? And let's change the main stress again. The girl ran to the sea and jumped in quickly. So not in any other way, just quickly. So we are changing main stress and we are changing the meaning. So as I said, we can put the stress to structural words too. For example, as I said, the girl ran to the sea. It means that not from the sea, to the sea. Okay? The girl ran to the sea, not from the sea, not away. Here the meaning, if I stress the structural word to. So connected speech. So in English, words bump into each other. We reduce words when we are speaking, contract them, then mesh them together. So connected speech is a large topic. So you should search online about connected speech because there is a lot to say about connected speech, and it helps you to understand native speakers. For example, I'm not native speaker, of course, but I try to say these words as a native speaker. For example, next door, next door. So T is not pronounced. Is not pronounced here. Next door, next door, next door. Yeah, we are skipping the phoneme T and the next word, for example, and we are joining phonemes. An apple, an apple, an apple. Okay, or we are changing and we are joining two words, and we are changing to the sound D. Z orange, Z orange, Z orange. Or we use contractions like haven't, doesn't, or don't, wasn't, weren't, and so on. Yeah. So let's go on. So intonation. Intonation is a movement of the level of the voice or tune. So, for example, when we speak, we use different feelings, different emotions. We say sentence with surprise, or we say sentence with happiness, or as a question, or we emphasize some words, or just we say statement of fact. Usually we say a statement of fact in a low falling tune. For example, now you'll see, for example, school has just finished. Let's read this sentence as a statement of fact. School has just finished. It is, I'm reading the sentence as a statement of fact, and with surprise. School has just finished. Surprise, or as a question. School has just finished. So question or happiness. School has just finished. So with happiness we can read the sentence with different things. So it is intonation. So in the last one I'm going to speak about minimal pair. So we use during our lessons minimal pairs, and they help our students to learn words. So the minimal pairs are words distinguished only by only one phoneme. For example, cat in a hat. So cat in a hat. Or tree is free. So cat hat. Tree free. So we are distinguishing these words by only one phoneme. For example, cat, k, hat, h. Tree, t, free, f. So let's go on. Let's look at the test. So for questions 1 to 5, look at the questions about phonology and the possible answers. Choose the correct answers A, B, or C. So let's test ourselves. How many phonemes does the word heart have? Let's pronounce it. Heart. Heart. Yes, you are right. Heart. Heart. So 3. Yeah, 3. So the answer is B. 3. The next. How is paper written in phonemic script? So we saw phonemic script above, and I pronounce the word, and you try to find paper. Paper. So this the key is C. Paper. Okay, and I'm going to speak about one thing again. You see little like apostrophe here. So it is it's showing stress. For example, it is showing the stress is in the first syllable. So paper. Okay. So let's continue. Which of the following is true about the stressed syllable? So it contains the schwa sound. It sounds stronger. It is spoken fast. Okay. It sounds stronger. So as we said above, in a word stress, we should say this stressed syllable with more energy. Yeah. So we pronounce this syllable stronger. So it sounds stronger. So the true answer, the right answer is here is B. So which of the following is a minimal pair? So we said about minimal pair. So minimal pair, we distinguish minimal pairs by only one phoneme. So here, pin, bin. So we are distinguishing pin from bin only by one phoneme. So the answer is A. And the last question, which of the following is a contraction? So A is CU, B is ASAP, and C haven't. So said about contractions. So haven't is right answer here. So haven't, can't, mustn't, doesn't, hasn't, all of them are contractions. So we join two words is one word, have and not, haven't. So ASAP is abbreviation. We can use a lot of abbreviations, you know, and CU is not contraction or abbreviation, so it's not bus, it's not either. So this is the end of our session. Thank you for watching the video. Forgive me if I have some mistakes. See you again.